Welcome to the course. My name is Alex Knedinik and I'll be your instructor. I sincerely appreciate the time and trust that you're putting into me in this course.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
And I'll do whatever I can to make sure you get a lot of value from the course. Starting with, I answer 99% of student questions within 24 hours, and I regularly hold office hours where you and I can actually have a one-on-one conversation about your business. Now, let me tell you what this course is all about so that you know what to expect. It's about influencer marketing the right way. What's the wrong way? Well, most people, they just go like, I want to hire an influencer and hopefully they get 1 million views, that's it. Right? Like hope for the best kind of thing. But you can't hope for the best, because what do influencers do? There are so many fake influencers or like half influencers that like they give you a tiny bit of promotion but way not what you paid for. That's the danger of influencer marketing. It's usually like not very good. The results are not that good. So what we're going to do in this course, first we're going to measure and track their promotions. Then I'm going to show you how to find and vet influencers to kind of tell which ones are fake influencers, which ones are hireable. Then I'm going to show you maybe how to pitch them, how to negotiate with them a little bit, not too much. This is not a place where you want to negotiate too much, but some, so you get a good deal on promotion. And then because you're tracking their promotion, you'll be able to tell if their promotion worked out. And if it did, you can work with them time and again and again and again and again. Every time you have a new product or maybe some time passed, you can work with them. You can hire them again. So you'll be building up a database of influencers with whom you can work profitably. And then what we're going to do is we're going to talk about, okay, so you got a lot of traffic. Some bought, some didn't buy. You got to bring those people who didn't buy, you got to bring them back. So we're going to look at how to run retargeting ads to bring back that traffic that supposedly the influencer gave us a lot of traffic. We don't want to lose them. The people who didn't buy, we want to make them come back. So we're going to walk through how to run retargeting ads to bring them back. And that's going to be our course about influencer marketing. So very few things before we start. Udemy is going to ask you for a review. So at some point very early in the course, it's not me asking for a review. Students get confused by that. A lot of students email me and they say like, why are you asking for a review so early? It's not me. Instructors don't really like that. Students get confused by that. But Udemy gives you a pop-up for a review. Of course, I'd appreciate if you gave some love to the course. If you have some issues with the course or some things are confusing or it's not enough, send me a private message. Most of the improvements in the course are from students' private messages where they tell me, hey, can you improve this? And I do. A lot of the improvements literally come from students giving me feedback. And one point about the subtitles in the course, if you're using the subtitles, they are auto-generated, meaning they're going to have problems. They're going to have some errors. I tried to fix them. There's no way I can fix them. They're just auto-generated, and just the mistakes. There are some mistakes that it mishears the words. So I tried to fix it. I couldn't fix it. So if you're using the subtitles, I thank you for your patience with them. I appreciate it. And one last thing, all the videos in the course are in HD. If your videos are blurry, which can happen, it's a settings issue most of the time. On the bottom right of your video player, there's like a gear button. You press that and you set it to something like 720p. Play around with the settings. One of the settings will probably make it crystal clear, because the video should be crystal clear for you. And with that, I think we've resolved all the technical issues. So let's get started.